For lesson 7-8, I decided to do number 5. It's a number sequence of 2, 8, 32, and 128. Now, I was told to find the common ratio. As you can see, there's a pattern to each. If you multiply 2 by 4, you get 8. If you multiply 8 by 4, you get 32. And if you multiply 32 by 4, you get 128. So the common ratio for this is 4. For lesson 8-1, I decided to do number 8, which is 12g squared minus 7g squared. And I was told to simplify. Since they have the same variable term, we keep that and we just subtract the constants, giving us 5g squared. For lesson 8-2, I chose to do number 1, which is 3w, open parentheses, w plus 2 squared, and I was told to simplify using the distributive property. So 3w is our term that we will distribute into this expression. So 3w times w, that's 3w squared, and 3w times positive 2 is 6w. So the answer would be 3w squared plus 6w. For lesson 8-3, I decided to do number 3, which is 3n plus 1 and n minus 8. And I decided to use the FOIL method. The FOIL method is basically multiplying the first terms, the outer terms, the inner terms, and the last terms. So the first terms are 3 and n, and 3n times n is 3n squared. The outer terms are 3n and negative 8, giving me negative 24n. The inner terms are 1 and n, making it only n. And the last terms are 1 times negative 8, which is negative 8. Putting this all together from the order, we get 3n squared minus 24n plus n equals 8. Combining like terms, we get 3n squared minus 23n minus 8. For lesson 8-4, I decided to do the number 2, which is n plus 11 squared. So again, for this one, I expanded the equation, or the expression, and I used the FOIL method. So first terms, n times n, that's n squared. Outer terms, n and 11, that's 11n. Inner terms, 11n, that's 11n. And the last terms, which is 11 times 11, which is 121. Moving it here, I have n squared plus 11n plus 11n plus 121. Combining like terms, you get n squared plus 22n plus 121.